The journey that most of our customers going to the cloud really is a three-phase journey. The first phase is consolidation, the second phase is virtualization, and the third phase is the automation phase. And when you look at each of those phases, there's cost savings that come along with it, as well as some benefits to the end users. When you consolidate, you're obviously taking up less footprint, becoming more sustainable from an eco-friendly perspective, as well as you starting to leverage some of your assets with multiple tenants. Once you add virtualization, you add that optimization and efficiency of services that much more. And then once you start to put in your automation phase, that's really when you start to see the agility come in to your next generation data center. And when we add automation, we really call that private cloud. Sure. As we look to building out these next generation data centers, it really does throw a curveball when it comes to security. And our customers are starting to see that right now. As I mentioned, the multiple phases to the next generation data center, the second phase is virtualization. And we look at virtualization, not only are the servers being virtualized, but the services that support those applications need to be virtualized, like firewalls, IPSs, sensors for deep packet inspection. They all also need to be virtualized because in this next generation data center, it is about dynamically adding capabilities, whether that's applications or users to a system. And when you add applications to a system, you now have to add the services like those security services. So how do we help our customers virtualize those security assets to enable them to be automatically added onto new services? That's certainly the first one. The second area that our customers are really looking at addressing is this multi-segment or multi-tenant data center. Much more so than ever before, the same assets are going to be used for multiple people, multiple groups within an agency. So I have to be able to segmentize my assets. So creating a clear channel that I will prevent data overflow or data leakage, also prevent users from escaping their assets and getting access to other folks' assets. So segmentation in this new virtualized environment is another area that we're helping our customers get to. Certainly with VLANs have been known for a long time. Well, you take VLANs into the server space with virtualized servers, you take it into storage space, and you have segmentation that has to be end-to-end, all the way from the iPad to the data center where the applications reside. Okay, so we're here talking about the next generation data center with Cisco, NetApp, and Intel, because as we look at that journey to the next generation data center, it is really a conglomeration of virtualization and all the virtualization tools that Intel and Cisco, NetApp provide, management of those tools, and putting it all together so that those applications can be driven from the data center to the users, whether they're on iPads or Droids or desktops or any other device that might come out in the future. We're at the very beginning of that transformation in the data center, so there's a lot of lessons to be learned with our customers, and we feel that by coming together as an ecosystem play and helping our customers to see where the various components come together and work together can help them get to that next generation data center quicker. We've actually created a validated design, we call it FlexPod, which takes the benefit of the NetApp storage, Cisco's compute and network, using Intel inside, putting all that together in a clearly defined architecture so our customers can leverage that design, that cookie cutter design, to put a next generation data center or a private cloud together within a matter of weeks rather than months.